Crash course on the Wright brothers and their contributions to aviation. The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, were two American inventors and aviation pioneers who designed and built the world's first successful airplane. Their contributions to aviation revolutionized transportation, transformed warfare, and ushered in a new era of human exploration. Early years and inventions. Orville and Wilbur Wright were born in 1871 and 1867, respectively, in Dayton, Ohio. The brothers had a fascination with science and technology from an early age, and began designing and building their own inventions as teenagers. They opened their own bicycle shop in Dayton in 1892, which became the foundation for their work in aviation. The brothers developed their own wind tunnel, which allowed them to test and refine the design of airplane wings. The first flight. On December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers achieved their first successful flight. Orville piloted the plane, which traveled 120 feet in 12 seconds, a major breakthrough in aviation. This marked the beginning of the Wright brothers' contributions to aviation, which would change the course of history. Advancements in aviation. Over the next few years, the Wright brothers continued to refine and improve their designs. In 1905, they developed the first practical airplane, which could stay aloft for up to 39 minutes at a time. They also invented a system for controlling the aircraft in flight, known as the three-axis control system, which is still used in airplanes today. Impact on aviation and beyond. The Wright brothers' contributions to aviation had a profound impact on the world. Their designs and innovations helped pave the way for modern air travel and made it possible to explore the skies. Aviation transformed warfare, making it possible to conduct airstrikes and aerial reconnaissance. The Wright brothers' achievements also inspired a new generation of inventors and explorers. Interesting stories. Before their first flight, the Wright brothers tested their plane by flying it as a kite. They also experimented with a glider, which they flew in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, to test the aerodynamics of their design. The Wright brothers' first flight was witnessed by only 5 people, including a local farmer and his family, who happened to be passing by. The Wright brothers faced many challenges and setbacks during their work, including the deaths of several of their colleagues in airplane crashes. They persisted in their efforts, however, and continued to innovate and improve their designs. Here are 12 facts on Wright brothers and their contributions to aviation. 1. The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, were American inventors and aviation pioneers born in Dayton, Ohio. 2. They opened their own bicycle shop in Dayton in 1892, which became the foundation for their work in aviation. 3. They developed their own wind tunnel, which allowed them to test and refine the design of airplane wings. 4. On December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers achieved their first successful flight, which traveled 120 feet in 12 seconds. 5. They continued to refine and improve their designs, developing the first practical airplane in 1905. 6. They invented a system for controlling the aircraft in flight, known as the three-axis control system, which is still used in airplanes today. 7. The Wright brothers faced many challenges and setbacks during their work, including the deaths of several of their colleagues in airplane crashes. 8. They received a patent for their design of a flying machine in 1906. 9. The Wright brothers also designed and built a flying boat, which was used for maritime search and rescue operations during World War I. 10. Orville Wright became the first person to conduct an air raid, dropping bombs on German targets during World War I. 11. The Wright brothers' contributions helped pave the way for modern air travel, transforming warfare, and inspiring a new generation of inventors and explorers. 12. They were awarded the first Langley Medal by the Smithsonian Institution in 1910, and their plane, the Wright Flyer, is now on display at the National Air and Space Museum in Washington, D.C. In summary, the Wright brothers were innovative inventors who revolutionized aviation with their designs and innovations. Their contributions helped pave the way for modern air travel, transformed warfare, and inspired a new generation of inventors and explorers. Here is a poem on Wright brothers and their contributions to aviation. In Dayton, Ohio, 2 brothers were born. Their names were Orville and Wilbur, forlorn. But they had a dream that soared high and true. To fly like birds, with wings that grew. With bicycles as their starting point. The Wright brothers' minds were set to anoint the skies with planes that would one day rule the world with travel, no longer a tool. With wind tunnels and designs they made, the Wright brothers soon paved the way for flight that was controlled and true. Three-axis control, a breakthrough. On December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers made history. A flight that lasted but 12 seconds. But it set the stage for new ascendants. Their designs and skills continued to grow. In 1905 they made a new show. A practical plane that could truly fly and soar through the air with grace and high challenges and setbacks they did face. Their colleagues' deaths a sorrowful place. But they persevered and continued to strive. Their passion and determination never did die. The Wright brothers changed the course of time, transformed warfare and inspired a climb to the skies, where anything is possible. Thanks to their contributions, we are unstoppable. Now the Wright Flyer stands proud and tall, a testament to their achievements for all. Their legacy lives on in every flight, guiding us through the day and night. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences America has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. AnHub Metaverse Team.